Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about color coding everything. Yeah, so we suggest actually color coding your patch cables so that when you're looking at your switch, you don't have like, oh, let's see, I've got a 300 drops here. I wonder which one I'm looking for. In other words, color code your patch cables. So servers are a certain color, firewalls are a certain color, workstations are a certain color, phones are a certain color, printers are a certain color. It just makes it easier to go from 300 drops to maybe only having to look at 20. And we also recommend on any rack install that you're doing a 4-post rack with servers in them, color code your power cables as well. So firewalls are a certain color. You can get power cords now that it comes in different colors, and we use a certain color for our firewalls, a certain color for our servers, a certain color for our NASs, certain color for our backup server. That way it just makes it easier. So in case it's late and you're tired, you're not popping out the wrong power cable, which could be disastrous, right? So also, in addition to those color coding them, label the cables on both sides, please. It is kind of a pain in the butt, but we are a very firm believer in labeling the cables on both sides. As we're doing, I was like, God, this is such a pain in the butt. It's such tedious work. That being said, I've never thought to myself, wow, it was just way too darn easy to identify that one drop out of 300 and verify, yep, that's it. Read the label, boom. Much easier. Or if you're in the back of a rack and a cable falls out, right? It's like, geez, I wonder where this cable goes. I only have 17 different options. If it's labeled, you put it in, no harm, no foul, no blood, no ambulance. Our motto there is if it has a cable, it needs a label on both sides, by the way. In addition to that, we found a really cool vendor that produces these blank labels. You can put them, and they provide a Word template, but basically it allows you to flag the label and spins them around. I'll put a link here to those the labels that we use. You can use different colors even for the labels and color code your labels as well as your cables. We found them to be pretty valuable and does save a lot of time as opposed to using like a brother labeler where you're doing this. You can just generate all the labels at once and then print them out and then just peel and stick. So we'll put a link here to that label thing that we found. We found them to actually be very useful. That's our tip of the day. If you like this content, please boink, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It does help out our channel. We'll keep making the content. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.